Hello. I'm recording this because I want to have a demonstration of my NyquistNightmare module that I just built. I'm going to be talking with my voice, and then when I'm done doing that, I will plug the output of the NyquistNightmare into my computer so you can hear a perfect sound of what it sounds like. So, oh, it's already turned on. Okay, what this module does is it modulates and demodulates a signal. The two VCOs are up here. There's an attenuator knob which attenuates the incoming signal, which modulates the frequency of a VCO, which is the base pitch, which is labeled carrier. The carrier wave is adjusted to from about, I think, 200 hertz. We can listen to it actually. Oh, that's the AGC freaking out. Yeah, that's the carrier frequency. Well, I guess it goes so low that it stops oscillating. But the interaction between the two voltage-controlled oscillators is what you can hear coming through the high-pass filter and the low-pass filter. The low-pass filter has resonance, and I designed it so that the resonance starts kicking in like right there. Except you can't hear it for some reason. Resonance is voltage controlled. You can plug in, I have a Atari console 1.5 right here, which I can plug it in quotation marks and adjust the sensitivity of it. Anyway, I'm going to plug a signal in, and we can listen to, let's see, oh, it has a wet and dry thing. Alright.
Hey guys, we gotta take a break and thank Caldwell.
Let's use a podcast, because what I love using this module for is for mangling and destroying vocal samples. So here's a normal podcast.
For their support of this podcast. Caldwell. Industry leader in must-have range gear.
That's a dry signal. I turned it to the wet signal, and we'll see if we can get the signal to go through the two VCOs and the filters.
To Hunt Podcast, your home.
Okay, so now I'll plug it into the computer and you can hear the same thing. As lovely as that sounded.
Somewhere around 2 million acres of natural open space to development every year. That's deer habitat, grassland, homes for turkeys and upland birds, and year after year, this relentless push of civilization, it's not stopping anytime soon. So the question group, you certainly thought about on the group. That's where I started too. But the next one, I thought about what you might be able to do beyond that. Could one just look at our properties and work on them, not just as in healthy landscapes? Could these places be more than just great deer hunting properties? Could they also be refuges for all sorts of wildlife and cleaner air and cleaner water? I was looking at and working on with the whole Back 40 project in the future, and it's also something that our guests today believe in strongly as well, and that's Matt Dye and Keith. They're running Land and Legacy, which is a habitat consulting business. It's a podcast, it's a video series, and they're just doing great work to educate hunters on how to improve your land, how to manage your land, but how to, I think uniquely, how to do that in a way where you're looking at the whole picture. They take a very holistic approach to land work. They look beyond just deer, and that's what I wanted them to talk about here today. So that's what we're going to cover. We're going to cover the concepts, projects, and actual on-the-ground work that we can do on our own dirt to make a positive difference for all the other critters that crawl home, and the land, and the water, and the soil. And if we can do that, I think we've done our job. And, oh, by the way, the deer hunting is going to improve. There's no question about that. So that's our conversation coming up. I enjoyed it. It's going to be inspirational to get your hands dirty. I'm excited to be out there doing more work and kind of broadening my focus when it comes to what I do on these properties. So good stuff. I'm excited for you to give it a listen. But before that, we do have 2 quick housekeeping points.